boys and girls, we're going to carry on with our maths work today. So we've finished with our counting, and now we're going to look at what we are going to do in our books. So we are going to be working in our brown Simply Maths book that you used yesterday, and we're going to turn to page 1, 2, 3, page 4, and we're going to be working on this page. Right, but before we start that, I would like to just explain this to you on your whiteboard, and then we'll come back to this page. So just put that on the side. I'm going to put it on the side of Danny Dolphin over there, that we can't see it and it's not worrying us, and I'm going to work over here. So this morning we counted a number of pictures, and then you wrote how many pictures were in the row, or in the block, sorry. So we counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cars, and you wrote number 8. So now, if you look at this whole sheet, I'm going to take the 8 away. There's something that I'd like you to notice. When we are counting things together, they need to be the same, so that we can say there are 8 cars, there are 5 police cars, and there's 1 truck. If we have a police car, and a truck, we can't say we have 1, 2, 3 things, because we don't. We have 1 police car, 1 police car, 1 car, and 1 truck. We need a number of the same things. So here we have 8 police cars, 5, I keep saying these incorrectly, sorry boys and girls. We have 8 cars, we have 5 police cars, and we have 1 truck. So let's have a look at this picture. Here we have 2 bicycles, and we've got 2 girls on the bicycle. So we can't have 1 girl on the bicycle and 1 boy in the race car, because that would be 1 boy in the race car and 1 girl on the bicycle. We need 2 of the same. All right, in order for it to be number 2. So this is important for when you do your work in your book. Right, so there's number 2, and here I have some pictures. So there I've got 2 pears. I can't have 1 apple, 1 pear, because then that would be 1 apple and 1 pear. I can't have 3 strawberries and 4 bananas, because then I'd have 3 strawberries and 4 bananas. You need the same thing. So here we've got 2 pears, 2 little birds, and we saw 2 bicycles over here. Let's just move those up for you. So 2 bicycles. So important to remember, this is number 2. This is number name 2. And then when you do your pictures, you must have 2 of the same thing. Otherwise, it's not correct. Then we've got 1 of the one and 1 of the other. 2 of the same thing when we count. Right. So now we can take our pencils and our crayons and get those ready. And we can take our book that we've kept on the side on page 4. Remember, if you didn't get it ready, it's your brown maths book, and we are on page 4. Right, so let's have a look. It says, draw 2 pictures in each block. So remember, we need 2 of the same. That's what we've just spoken about. So you would draw maybe 2 pears, 2 birds, 2 hats, and 2 pencils, whatever you like. You're going to draw some beautiful pictures and then color them in. Right, so when we write in this book, so when we write the number and the number name, they've given us a little line. So it's important that you write on the line so that it doesn't go all skew. And if you jump up and you write it in the air over there, then your pictures are going to be squashed because you've got that space to draw your beautiful 2 pictures. Right, so I'm going to just show you one. You're going to write number 2. Remember, round and round the track and back. And then you're going to copy the word, the number name, 2, and you're going to hold your pencil nicely. Look at the way I'm holding it. And you're going to write it neatly and write it on that line. You're going to do that for these 2 blocks as well. Number 2, number name 2, number 2, number name 2. Right, and then you're going to draw 2 pictures, as I've said. So let's use 2 pairs there, color them in, and 2 pictures of whatever you'd like and beautifully colored in. And then at the bottom, you're going to take one of your colors. Oh, and now I can't find a color, so I'm just going to use a colored pen, but you should have your colors from school, and you're going to follow the arrow here. You can hold your crayon nicely, and you're going to go over. Oh, shucks, this pen doesn't work. Oh, let me try this sparkly one, maybe. Oh, goodness gracious, we're not having a good time. Oh, and I've broken the pen because it opens that way. Oh, I'm really a silly billy today. So I'm going to go over where the arrow says, and this is black. I thought it would be a sparkly one. All right, so you can use your colors to go and trace over these. Remember to go in the direction, and we go round and round the railway track and back. 2, 2, 2. Right. So you can use all different colors here or one color of your crayons, but you do your writing over here in pencil. Right, let's see you complete page 4 for maths today as best you can.